Hey friends, Greg here with the Pennywise guys. I have another solar structure that we did. It's a patio covering. I want to show you how we did it. Let's get started. This is a beautiful solar structure we built. It's 52 panels, about 15,500 watt system. And it's a little late in the evening, so I'm just going to show you the overall view of it. And you can look at the other videos for more details. But they had an existing barbecue pit here next to their home, right over there. And they had little girls playing out here all the time in the sun, and they didn't have any shade. So we talked about covering this area with a solar structure to give them shaded area to play. And you can see they're still playing there. The sidewalk chalk there, they're doing that, and they just have a nice time out here with the fire pit and the pool right over there. Okay, and this is 52 panels and all watertight, just like we showed you on the other videos of the shared rail system. And everything down the line is very sealed. And they have, if it's raining and they're out here entertaining, they don't have to worry about that getting wet. And it's just a very beautiful placement of the structure next to the pool and the house and the barbecue fire pit. And they hung some lights up here, and they can entertain. They're going to entertain tomorrow, so they're getting everything ready for that. So anyway, I just wanted to show this to you. It's just really complements the house and everything around here. Right now I'm standing next to the house, and so here it is next to the house. It's a rather large system. We got the central inverter hung up high on this one, so get it out of the way of everybody. So it's tucked up underneath there real well. And then of course the electrical goes down the post, and it comes over to a sub panel over here. Okay, so then they have the main panel on the other part of the house. So it worked out really well for the electrical end of things, and it's just a really beautiful structure for what they need, and entertaining and shade and solar production. Okay, so you know, it's just another design for you to think about. Take a look at the other videos showing the structures for RV covers, for patios, for entertainment areas. I've got a couple more that I'm going to be posting here after this one, and then we'll move on to the washing systems and how we do those. Okay, so I hope this helps you, inspire you to maybe possibly think about putting something over an area that is an entertainment area like this one here. And you can mow underneath it like they're doing. They can mow that grass right around the posts with the concrete work that we did. So, and that's what they wanted. They wanted grass all the way around it, and it's beautiful. All right, I hope this helps to inspire you. You guys have a blessed day. I sure hope you enjoyed this video and it was a help to you. Please like, subscribe, and share. Also hit that notification bell to be notified of weekly videos. I pray that you are blessed and that you know Him who is the author of life.